wonderful people. It's yet another episode of Backyard Gardening with your boy Johanne, and it's long awaited. But today I am just going to harvest this garlic. Today is the 30th of June, and usually have to plant garlic on the shortest day in the year, and then you harvest it on the longest day in the year. So the longest day in the year was 21st June. So just about 9 days has gone past. You know, but as life, sometimes you get preoccupied with other things, and your priorities change slightly. So it's only today. Um, I said, let me try and harvest this garlic. As you can, I'm not sure if it's still good. As you can see, it's all dried down. I did harvest two, before the shortest day of the year, and they were quite good. So I'm not sure if these that have stayed a bit longer, is there any good? So let's see. Well, you can tell where the garlics are planted, so just take the fork and hand fork, just dig, and there you go, garlic. Yeah, I think they are looking good, if I say so myself. So what you usually do, you just to cut off the roots, trim it by there, take out the outer layer, and there you have like really nice garlic. And sometimes they go a little, um, yeah, lots of big garlics there. Yeah, but I'll tell you what, this garlic, they're always like really nice and fresh, So the ones that you get from the shop, you can tell a big difference. Yeah, and actually like just rooting them up now, they smell really nice, very nice and garlicky. Um, so I think last year I had an allotment, actually planted like one bed of garlic, and it lasted me quite a long time actually, almost the entire year. That's the idea, you plant garlic, and then in theory you should have garlic to last you, until next season this time around. Until next season this time around, when you get to harvest garlic again, you know. Yes, it's really nice garlic, if I say so myself. Catch is not looking too bad so far. Yeah, and what I'm going to do with this bed, I'm just going to try and plant something in the intermediate. That will take me until November, December. Maybe some salads. Yeah, until it's time for planting garlic again. I want to make use of this little space here. Lost one. Really nice. Really nice garlic. Big ones as well. Here, nice big ones, big cloves. Oh, and there you go. That's garlic all nice and harvested. Yeah, gonna take them inside. Get them all nice and ready. Clean up. And there you go. Really nice soil. Hopefully, you go with some salads here. Yeah. Well, that's a wrap, people. Thank you so much. Until the next episode.